Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how we can use LogicBalls AI to generate content in multiple languages instantly. So whether you're targeting global audiences or just want to reach people in their native language, we can use this tool to make it super simple. First of all, head over and go over to LogicBalls website, and once you are in, you will be seeing a wide variety of AI powered tools for content creation. You can just go ahead and select the content generator tool. For example, you can select this option for AI Twitch stream title generator, or you can directly look out for this option to go for description generator. So let's head over and go to this Amazon product. Now here you just need to go ahead and uh, find this box right here where you can go ahead and enter your topic and select your language. So just go ahead and do so. For that, you can just go ahead and enter up your topic. For example, let's say smartphone. And under benefits, you can type your idea in English and then select the targeted language. If available, you can just go ahead and do so. First of all, you can just go ahead and specify your product here. In this section, you can just go ahead and enter up your device's benefits and features and everything description you need to add. After that, click on generate description and wait for the description first of all to be cleared out. And here you can see it says, since the input is in English, we'll provide the description in English with casual conversational tone. So as you can see, we can follow up this process in order to do so. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and use this option right here. We can directly ask AI here for desired change. Let's say using French. So we're just gonna go ahead and do so and click on submit and wait for a bit. And there we go. You can just go ahead and look out for your idea here in the French language available. And you can just go ahead and clarify yourself and let them know. And within few seconds, it will give you polished content in the language you selected, and you can repeat the process to generate the same content in any language as you want. So this is how you do it. That's how you can create multi-language content with LogicBalls AI. It's fast, accurate, and helps you connect with a wider audience around the world. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments how if this video was helpful.